We'll work on it earlier this time to institute measures yung sinasabi niya kanina to accommodate maybe 60 teams for next year. Not really a big jump to 100, but we are looking at 60 for next year. Okay? So thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you for all your questions. We hope that we were able to answer all of them. But don't you worry guys, immediately natin because later on, magkakaroon pa po tayo ng Q&A sa mga coach naman and of course sa ating mga team captains. Pero now, announcement from our Shakey's General Manager and Shakey's Marketing Head. A special announcement po sa ating lahat ng 44 schools na kasali po sa GVIL, lahat po ng schools starting Monday until May 31. You can now enjoy your 15% discount when you dine in sa Shakey's. 15, that is 15, 1-5.
Wow!
15%
5-0.
discount.
50.
Guys, always 1-5.
1-5.
Wow! 50 pa rin. 5-0. Oo, nakatrabaho na.
So, lahat po, maraming salamat sa lahat ng schools. You can now enjoy your special discount starting Monday until May 31. Kailangan nyo lang po i-present yung ID po nyo sa school.
Okay, sorry Mayor, but I have to clarify. 15% here, yung 50% is in Shakey's New Zealand. That's 50%. So 50 para sa team sa Shakey's New Zealand. Okay.
And of course, i-clear ko lang po sa a la carte orders po ito, promo natin included sa 15% discount. Alright? Now, aside from our representatives from Shakey's, ACES, and the other partners, we also have with us the team captains of the 44 participating teams. So let's all welcome them here at the front, starting with